Okay, class 1, good morning. Hope you all are fine, doing the work properly. Okay, maybe you are enjoying the computer. So when school will open, we will do the practical also. Okay, now whatever I am giving, you all are writing with the help of your parents in your copy. So you all learn it very properly. Okay, so you see chapter 1 and chapter 2 we have done today. Children, you see, slowly we will do. Today we are going to do chapter 3, that is your parts of a computer. Okay, so chapter 3 we are going to start parts of a computer. Okay, so you see, in KG2 you have learned already that human beings, okay, they have different parts: eyes, okay, ears, nose, mouth, head, neck, stomach, hand, legs. So in the same way, you see, computer also has many parts. Okay, computer also has many parts. So we have many parts in our body. So same way, computer also has many parts. So today we are going to learn about one parts of a computer. Okay, so there are different parts a computer has. So same way, we also have so many parts. You see, hand, leg, mouth, neck. Okay, head we have, ears we have, nose we have, teeth we have, tongue we have. Okay, so you see different organs, they are doing different work. Today if you don't have hand, can you write? It is not possible to write. If you don't have leg, can you walk? Can you run? Not possible. Okay, if you don't have mouth, can you eat food? You cannot eat. You cannot talk. Okay, same way, computer also, okay, it has different parts. So without different parts, a computer cannot function properly, it cannot work properly. So you see, okay, so there are different parts of a computer. So we are going to talk about it. Okay, children. Okay, now see, one by one we are going to discuss. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about different parts of a computer. So let's begin with the help of a one diagram I am going to show you. So first I am going to tell you what are the different parts of a computer. So you see a computer. First we are going to talk about monitor. Okay, see at the blackboard. So first it is what? Monitor. Okay, now the second one we are going to talk about keyboard. It is what? Keyboard. Then we are going to talk about CPU. Okay, the next we are going to talk about mouse. Okay, so you see, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Okay, so you see, we are going to learn about, there are many parts are there. So first we are going to learn only the few parts of your computer. Okay, so first we are going to learn only about the 4 parts of a computer. Now you are in class 1, so this is the starting. So first we are going to learn only about the 4 parts. Please look, see, MONITOR, monitor. Okay, this is one part of a computer, monitor. Next is KEY, key, BOARD, board, keyboard. This is your second part of your computer. Next, CPU, this is your third part of a computer. Next is MOUSE, mouse. This is your fourth part of a computer. So you see, these all are very important parts of a computer. Now you see this mouse. Don't think the mouse which is in your home running here and there. No, this is your computer mouse. Okay, so you see, so we are going to learn about different parts of a computer. So first we are going to learn only about the 4 parts of a computer. That is your monitor we are going to learn. We are going to learn about the keyboard. We are going to learn about CPU. We are going to learn about the mouse. Okay, so one by one, okay, we are going to learn. So you see, children, so what we are going to learn? Parts of a computer. So first we are going to learn how many parts? First we are going to learn only 4 parts. So you see parts of a computer. Again I am repeating, listen. monitor. What is this? Monitor. Next, what is this? Keyboard. Key, key, board, board. Keyboard. Okay, this is your keyboard. Next, number 3, CPU. Okay, this CPU, it has a very big name. Its full form is Central Processing Unit. Okay, later on I'll be teaching you the full form. Now you have to know only about CPU only. Okay, next is number 4, mouse. mouse. What is this? Mouse. Okay, so what we are going to learn about it? We are going to learn about monitor. We are going to learn about keyboard. We are going to learn about CPU. We are going to learn about mouse. What are they? They are called parts of a computer. Okay, they are called parts of a computer. Okay, what are they? They are parts of a computer. Okay, remember. So how we have so many parts in our body? We have head, we have eyes, we have nose, we have ears, we have mouth. Okay, we have neck. So you see so many parts we have. So computer also have different parts. So first only we are going to learn about only 4 parts. You see children, again I am saying, so first we are going to learn about how many parts? We are going to learn only about 4 parts, because now you are small children. So slowly as we will proceed, we will learn about more parts of a computer. So first starting, we are doing it only 4 parts of a computer. See children, so again I am repeating it. Okay, see, parts of a computer. So only 4 parts. Again I am saying, what is this? Monitor. monitor. It is a monitor. Next, what is this? Keyboard. key, board. It is a keyboard. What is this? CPU. Okay, its full form is Central Processing Unit. So we can write it. Okay, I am writing for you all. Let's look. It is Central, CENTRAL, Central Processing, PROCESSING. Okay, Processing Unit, UNIT, unit. So it is your what? It is your Central Processing Unit. This is your full form of CPU. C means central. Look, I am reading the spelling. CENTRAL, central. So C stand for central, P stand for processing, 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 and U stand for unit, UNIT. Okay, so CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. You know, CPU is very important for the computer. It is also called brain of a computer. Today you see, if we don't have head, and inside our head we have a brain. If we don't have a brain, can we do work? We cannot do anything. We cannot do our work, we cannot study, we cannot go anywhere, we cannot do any activities. Okay, the same way in computer also, if computer does not have CPU, then computer cannot function, means it cannot do any work. You cannot write anything. Okay, you cannot play game, you cannot listen music. So you cannot do anything in a computer without CPU. Okay, CPU is what? It is also called brain of a computer. Okay, it is also called what? Brain of a computer. Okay children, like how our brain control our body, so same way CPU, it control the function of a computer. Without CPU, computer will not at all, it will work. Okay children, see. So again I am saying, what is CPU full form? C stand for central, CENTRAL, central. P stand for processing, 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 and U stand for unit, UNIT, unit. So what is it? Central Processing Unit. Repeat, okay? While I am saying, you repeat. When you look, when you will watch the video, you just repeat it. Okay, that CPU, what does it mean? It means Central Processing Unit. What does it mean? CENTRAL, central processing, 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 and you mean UNIT, unit, central processing unit. Okay children, next, what is this? Mouse. So today we have learned what? 4 parts of a computer. That is, you have learned about monitor, spelling, again I am repeating, MONITOR. What is this? Monitor. Next is what? Keyboard, KEYBOARD, board, keyboard. Next is CPU, that is your central processing unit. And the last one you have learned about mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Okay children, so you see these all are what? They are parts of a computer. So how our body has a parts, I said you, the similar way computer also has a parts. Okay, so we have started our topic with 4 important parts of a computer. Later on, okay, slowly when we will proceed the chapter, we will learn about different parts of a computer also. Okay, now I'm going to draw a monitor and show you. Please look at the blackboard. See, now these all are your different parts of a computer. Now you might be thinking, what is a monitor? So monitor is nothing, it is like a television screen. Okay, it is also like a television screen. Okay, look, I'm drawing. See the drawing, how it will look. This is like your televisions. Okay children, simple drawing I am making. Okay, please look. This is your monitor, MONITOR. So you see, it is your monitor. So you see this monitor, it looked like a TV screen. You all have television in your home. So this monitor is also similar like a television only. Okay, so you see, this is your, so whatever we have learned, there are different parts of a computer, and this is the main part, that is your monitor. So this monitor look like this. Please look at the blackboard. Okay, it is like a television screen. So you see, this monitor is also a part of your computer. Okay, so you see, it look like a television screen. Okay, now it shows what you are doing in a computer. Today you see in computer, if you are making a drawing, if suppose you are making a tree, so you see that tree will show on your monitor screen. Suppose if I am writing the spelling of tree, okay, TREE, tree, so you see it will be shown on the monitor screen. That means whatever we are doing in a computer, okay, we will write. Suppose you are writing your name, you are making any drawing, okay, you want to play a game, so you see everything will be shown on a monitor screen. This is called what? Screen, SCREEN. Okay, this is called what? Screen. This is your monitor screen. Okay, like you have a television screen. When you take a remote and when you want to watch your favorite program, cartoon, okay, or any other program, okay, based on the knowledge, so you see, what do you do when you press the remote button on a monitor, that is your computer screen. Similar your television screen also, so you see, you can see everything on your television screen. The same way, everything whatever we do, we can see in your okay, on the monitor screen. So this monitor is very important. Okay, this monitor is what? Very important part of your computer. Okay, so you see, so this is also a part of a computer. Now you see, today we have learned about so many parts. We have learned about which part? Again I am repeating. We have learned about monitor, we have learned about keyboard, we have learned about CPU, we have learned about mouse. Okay children, okay, so these all are what? These all are parts of your computer. So today you see I have drawn you what I have drawn. Look at the blackboard very properly. Today I have drawn a monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. So this is also a parts of a computer. So you see whatever we do on a computer, we can see on the monitor screen. So you see the monitor screen looks like a TV. Okay, it's look like a television screen. This is your monitor screen. So whatever we do, okay, it will be shown here, and it is also a part of your computer. In the next class, okay, other parts of a computer I will draw and I will show you one by one. So today whatever I have taught you, okay, you will listen it very properly and you will keep in your mind, and whatever homework I will give you, you all will do in your copy and you will learn it. Write in a good handwriting. Okay, stay safe, listen to your parents, do your work. Okay children, so thank you for today.